Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will take a look at how you can find some Western Union location. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now all we need to do is to go into our Western Union site right here, and then if we scroll all the way down, you should be able to see the option where you can go ahead and click on find locations right here. So just go ahead and click on this. Now, if you have allowed your geolocation to be enabled, then you should be able to see where you are and to be able to spot which Western Union is available to you. But you can also go ahead and search for them if you want to. So you can go ahead and search via address, or you can search the different agents that has Western Union available. Now say for example here that we have these right here. All you need to do is to just go ahead and click on any of these, and then this will give you the information. So this is an agent right here, and then if you say go ahead and click on any of these, this will give you the timing of when they are open and when they are also closed, and this will also give you the actual address itself. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.